Remember, Space Dude said that they're scared of loud noises. They don't like it.
He did say that.
Okay, ZZ Dad, I think it might be my turn to try to take a go at it. Maybe I can make some loud noises and scare the alien out of him.
That's a good idea, good mom, but make sure you be safe, okay?
Okay, ZZ Squad, and see what I can make happen. Oh, guys, there goes one right there. Okay, ZZ Squad, I'm gonna see if I can make a really loud noise to scare him, to scare the alien out of him, because I need my kids back. 3, 2, 1. Boom! Okay, ZZ Squad, that didn't work, so now I need to resort to plan B. I need to try to figure out how to make a louder noise. Pots right here. Maybe if I bang a couple of these together, we'll see. Okay, ZZ Squad, I'm about to bang on the spot. ZZ Squad, it's not working.